Hi. Today we're going to list most common questions about Google suspension and will provide information about them. Let's get started. Using advertising for business is always welcomed because it helps business grow. But sometimes there are controversial situations, leading to the suspension of advertising and the loss of potential customers. Therefore, it is important to know what is happening and why in order to minimize the loss. What does Google Ads account suspension mean? Google has temporarily suspended your account due to some of the policies that it has found that you are breaking. Why was my Google Ads account suspended? Google Ads account was suspended due to violations of the company's policies. Some of the common reasons are unauthorized access to your account, malware on your device, and overdue payments. Will my Google AdWords account suspension issue hurt my organic rankings? Your Google account suspension is not related to your organic rankings. It's just that the traffic that you're bringing in through ads. By doing the same thing, my competitors' ads are still running. Why? First, Google doesn't yet have the necessary tools to detect these violations, and second, your ads are violating multiple policies. Before you can get back to using Google Ads, you need to first find out why it has suspended your account and resolve issues. After that will be turned for a review request, where all resolvement documentation should be put to let Google know. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.